Hello, my name is Brittany Beals. I am a 31 director and I live in Columbus, Indiana. So tonight I'm going to show you how to order your beach towel incentive because if a lot of you don't know, we had our kickoff to knock spring out of the park kind of thing. And 31 started that with the little incentive at the end of March, where we had to submit a certain amount of orders to get 2 beach towels for free, or to get 2 beach towels and $100 in Wishes rewards. So I'm going to show you how this is going to work in terms of how to order if you have earned this incentive. And if you have earned the incentive, you should have received an email from 31. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go to our virtual office. Come on. It's going to take a minute. Hopefully not too long. My computer's been giving me some issues this afternoon. Okay, so here we are in our back office. You're going to simply hit orders. You will hit new order. And this one's a little tricky compared to most incentives because a lot of times the incentive will be over here somewhere, but this is actually going to be under our marketplace. Your info populates right here. You'll hit save and continue. Then you will do, in the search box, you will enter the summer day towels, and it should populate it within a few seconds. So summer days towel, and then here they are. You've got 4 options that you can get for free. If you do add personalization, the personalization you will be charged for, but it will be at the 40% discount. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to keep mine plain just because I prefer to have it plain. But if you want to add personalization, like I said, it's an additional cost at $4.80. I'm going to do the Lotta Colada one. That was a huge, huge print for me last season. Okay, so now we're going to go to view cart. Our subtotal is 0. We hit begin checkout. We go down here, and our whole total is still 0. Then you'll literally just hit submit order, and you will be good to go. And then you'll get your towels. So I hope this video was helpful. I'm going to make some more, so stay tuned. And if you guys have any other questions, feel free to let me know. But that is how you order your beach towel incentive, just through Marketplace. Easy peasy. All right, guys, I'm going to hop off of here. Have a good day. I'll talk to you later.